Now let us understand the difference between the floor and non-floor stock system. Okay. This table will reveal everything about difference between floor and non-floor stock system. On the left side, we can see the charge floor stock system. And here on the right side, we can see the non-charge floor stock system. The charges are made in the patient's account after they have been administered from the stock drugs. What the stock drugs are available, the charges that are put to the patients, which is after they have been administered directly to the patients, which is available in the stock, that is called to be the charges that are made. Okay, the first point. And in case of non-charge floor stock system, the drugs are not made in the account directly, even after the drug has been administered. It is not directly entered into the account. Every dose of the drug administered to the patients are charged. Each and every dose of the drug administered, it is charged here. Whereas in non-charge floor stock system, this system charges are made indirectly to the patients. It is not directly, it is indirectly charged to the patients. Only those doses are charged which are expensive and rarely used. Which is charged now, which is expensive and which is rarely used, have been charged to the patient. In case of non-charge floor stock system, what happens? The cost of the drug is not high. The cost of the drug is not high as they are mostly used in they use like tablets, capsules and other things. The cost is not that much high. So it is called to be non-charge floor stock system. Floor stock list is prepared, which is sent to make the drugs available to all nursing stations. So floor stock list, all the list is prepared, which is sent to make the drugs available. Now drugs should be available in the floor to all the nursing stations. That is in charge floor stock system. In non-charge floor stock system, a predetermined list is prepared by nursing station. What happens in non-charge floor stock system? A well-determined, that is predetermined list is prepared by nursing station, which all the things has to be added, which all the things has to be kept. This is the difference between charge floor stock system and non-charge floor stock system.